Before Witblox, electronics was like this.
After Witblox, electronics is like this.
Witblox started with a team of just 5.
Now we are a huge family of more than 5,000 community members.
all over the world.
Witblox community is our strength. With great support from all the community members just like you, we are always trying to make Witblox more user-friendly and awesome.
So, we have designed a unique Android app for all our community members.
But we still want your help to make it the best app for you all.
And that is only possible if you all give us your feedback.
Feedbacks are very important for us.
Because based on your feedback, we will do further changes in our app.
So let's check out the app.
We want you to download the app, use it, and let us know what you liked and disliked about it. We have been working on it for various months to bring you the best interface and the best features, but we know that there is always a chance to improve. Please help us to improve.
So try it today. Go to Play Store, type Witblox, download it and send us all your feedbacks through WhatsApp.
Yes, you have our numbers. Just WhatsApp us. Sir, we have got feedback.
That's great. Call everyone. We have work to do.